If you keep seeing small silver insects running across your bathroom floor at night, those are most likely silverfish. These pests love humid environments, and bathrooms are one of their favorite places to hide. The good news is, silverfish are actually quite easy to get rid of once you understand what attracts them and where they hide. So let's go straight into the most effective ways to eliminate silverfish from your bathroom. The first thing you need to do is reduce moisture. Silverfish cannot survive in dry environments. They depend on humidity and water sources to live and reproduce. This is why bathrooms, basements, and kitchens are the most common places where people find them. Start by turning on your bathroom exhaust fan whenever you take a shower. If your bathroom doesn't have proper ventilation, consider using a small dehumidifier to pull excess moisture out of the air. Next, check for any leaking pipes or dripping faucets underneath your sink or behind your toilet. Even a small water leak can create the perfect environment for silverfish to thrive. Fixing these leaks alone can sometimes eliminate the infestation. Now let's talk about where silverfish hide. Silverfish rarely stay out in the open. During the day, they hide in dark, tight spaces where they feel protected. Common hiding spots include cracks in the wall, gaps between tiles, behind baseboards, under sinks, and around plumbing lines. Take a close look around your bathroom and seal any cracks or small openings you find. Use silicone caulk to seal gaps around tiles, baseboards, and pipe openings. This removes the places where silverfish lay their eggs and prevents them from spreading further inside your home. The next step is killing the silverfish that are already there. One of the most effective natural solutions is diatomaceous earth. This is a fine powder made from fossilized algae that is harmless to humans but deadly to insects. Sprinkle a thin layer of diatomaceous earth behind your toilet, under sinks, along baseboards, and inside any cracks where silverfish might travel. When the silverfish crawl through the powder, it damages their outer shell and causes them to dehydrate. Another effective method is using boric acid powder. Boric acid works as both a poison and a stomach toxin for insects. Silverfish that walk through it or ingest it will die within a short time. Lightly apply boric acid in hidden areas such as under bathroom cabinets, behind plumbing fixtures, and inside wall cracks. Just make sure to keep it away from pets and children. If you prefer something even simpler, you can also use sticky traps. Silverfish tend to travel along walls and edges of rooms. Place sticky traps near baseboards, behind toilets, inside cabinets, and under sinks. These traps will capture silverfish as they move around at night and help reduce their population. Another interesting trick that works surprisingly well is using glass jar traps. Take a small glass jar and wrap tape around the outside of it. Silverfish can climb the tape and enter the jar, but they cannot climb the smooth glass surface inside to escape. Place a small piece of bread or cereal inside the jar to attract them. Leave the jar in your bathroom overnight, and you may find several silverfish trapped inside by morning. Now let's talk about something most people overlook: food sources. Silverfish don't just feed on pantry foods. They also eat paper, glue, cardboard, and even certain fabrics. If you keep cardboard boxes, paper towels, or stacks of magazines inside your bathroom cabinets, you might actually be feeding the infestation. Try to remove unnecessary paper items from bathrooms and store them in dry areas instead. Regular cleaning can also make a big difference. Vacuum along baseboards, corners, and behind fixtures to remove silverfish eggs, shed skins, and food debris. Finally, let's talk about preventing silverfish from coming back. Silverfish enter homes through tiny gaps and cracks around doors, windows, and plumbing lines. Inspect your bathroom and nearby walls for any small openings and seal them with caulk. Keeping your bathroom dry is the single most important step. Make sure humidity levels stay low and always run ventilation after showers. You should also periodically check dark corners and hidden spaces for signs of activity so you can catch the problem early before it turns into a full infestation. Silverfish may look harmless, but they can multiply quickly if the environment is right. By reducing moisture, sealing cracks, using natural treatments like diatomaceous earth, and eliminating food sources, you can completely remove silverfish from your bathroom. And once you control the humidity, chances are they won't come back. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might also be dealing with silverfish in their home. And subscribe for more simple home fixes and pest control tips that actually work.